Ionic Technologies Group was created in 1998 when Steve Matoush decided to go out on his own in the engineering world. His first job was at the Inco copper refinery upgrading an automation system. It was a good lesson in market research and knowing your own self-worth.
I bid the job. It was moving around some 800-pound anodes at the copper refinery. The very first project I bid, I remember I bid around $80,000 or $90,000 for the project. I found out 3 or 4 weeks after I had the job that my competitor, who was a company in Southern Ontario, had bid over $1.1 million for that very same project. So that project was not a big moneymaker for me, that's for sure, but I had a lot of fun. I pretty much had to do everything on the project myself, right from being the mechanic, the electrician, to doing the engineering work.
From that first lesson in business, Ionic has grown to employ 75 people and is split into 4 separate divisions: Ionic Engineering in Sudbury, Ionic Automation in Cambridge, Variant Mining Technologies in Chelmsford, and BlackRock Engineering in Sudbury. Each has its own specialty, which allows the overall group to survive a downturn in any one sector.
Not only do we have 4 divisions, but we're also diversified across multiple industries. So in our Southern Ontario operation, we do light manufacturing, medical, automotive, whereas here we have more of heavy industrial, so we have forestry, steel work, mills, smelters, mines. There's really quite a variety. And yeah, although these industries are typically cyclical, they don't necessarily follow the same cycle, so that's really helped to sort of isolate us from any huge trauma.
Eric Hapamaki started with Ionic as a student engineer and today is the company's applications engineering manager. He's traveled across the world coming up with solutions for mining, forestry, and medical companies. But the oddest job he's had was for a company that produces the felt covers for the bottom of chairs.
A couple of years ago we did a little project for a foot and felt feeder. There was a fellow that manufactured little rubber feet that go under chairs, and he was manually putting on the little felt that goes underneath the rubber foot, and he needed a way to manufacture that and assemble that automatically. So we designed him a custom machine that did exactly that, and by the end of the project he could just sit there and watch his little machine run away.
Whether it's chairs, mining chutes, or packaging systems, Ionic can find a solution to a client's problem. It's that drive to diversify not only their products, but their knowledge that will take Ionic Technologies Group into the future.
Companies like us, we're fundamentally a tech company. It's all about accreting new technologies. Everywhere we go, we see problems. And when we see those problems, we work with our customers to solve those problems. Okay, what's the way we can make this safer, faster, cheaper? And every time we do that, we learn something new. It really creates a critical mass of knowledge within the business, and that's really what we are. We are that knowledge base, and I just foresee that continuing on.
Congratulations to Ionic Engineering, winner of Company of the Year 51 Plus Employees, sponsored by the Northern Credit Union.